Hey guys, welcome back to the Wall Street Bull. Anthony here. I hope you're all doing well and staying positive out there. It is never a dull and boring moment in crypto, finance, and the stock market. That is why I love doing daily market updates. Now today there is a lot to talk about in relation to BlackRock. And obviously the filing of the Bitcoin spot ETF, which is going to be very interesting, and they are not stupid, ladies and gentlemen, that's for sure. We're going to be talking about the Bitcoin Halving event, which is coming up very soon as well. We're going to be talking about Binance and a little victory they had against the SEC, which is really nice as well. And of course, XRP and the Ripple lawsuit against the SEC and Gary Gensler's absolute goon squad. The lizard people, to be quite honest with you. There's always updates in relation to that. We're going to be talking about Quant, one of my favorite crypto projects out there, and I'm very, very bullish on Quant. And there's some interesting stuff happening with that as well. But we'll get into all of that. Let's get into it. Massive shout out and thank you to every single one of you who have subscribed to the channel. I really appreciate it. Thank you very much. If you are new, make sure you smash the subscribe button down there and turn on that little bell notification as well, because as you can see right here, I love documenting my journey with investing with cryptos, dividend stocks, growth stocks, talking about passive income, building financial freedom, and of course, my goal at the end of the day is to build generational wealth. So come along this incredible journey. Things are getting wild in this space. Also, if you can give this video a thumbs up, watch it straight through, it would really help me push this channel out to a lot more people, because the YouTube algorithm is absolute magic when you find, ladies and gentlemen, do that. Okay, make sure you give it a good old thumbs up. Doesn't cost you anything. It's down there. Give it a good old tap. Give it a hug, a kiss, whatever you want to do. I don't care. Just touch it right there. It's good. All right, we're good. Anyway, guys, also a little disclaimer. I am not a financial advisor. Please do your own research and due diligence with this stuff. I do not want to see anyone get financially hurt. That is why my number one golden rule is I only invest what I can afford to lose. And yes, we don't like to lose. You can lose money like that in the blink of an eye in crypto and investing in general, all right? So please be careful. Do your own research and due diligence. This video is for educational and entertainment purposes only. Right, ladies and gentlemen, the formalities are out of the way. Yes, I did my video yesterday at home because it was Sunday, but we are Monday right now. And yes, this is the altcoin list that literally gets posted up every single morning when I'm having my espresso in the Patreon. Link below. Join up, ladies and gentlemen. But anyway, 901 votes. We have XRP there at 89%. Everyone's bullish on XRP. Why would you not be bullish on XRP? Anyway, we had Ravane, Constellation DAG, Shiba Inu, Telcoin. It's a bit flat, that one, and XRP, and I'm so bullish on it. It's absolutely mental. But anyway, let's go to Coinspot. This is where I buy my cryptos in Australia. There is a referral link below for this. They are a partner of my channel. Go check it out. Link is below. If you are new to cryptos in Australia, you will get $10 in Bitcoin. Okay, this can't be accessed anywhere else in the world, unfortunately. However, I am also affiliated with OKX. They are a partner as well of the channel. Very, very bullish. So we'll get into the bots and everything in a moment. Now, Bitcoin sitting at 39,000 Australian dollars today. You've got Ethereum at 2,585. We've got XRP at 73 cents, up 2.28% today, which is nice. ADA at 39 cents. Solana's at $23. Litecoin, $115. Very similar to Quant, but the halving is happening with Litecoin. So keep an eye on that, guys. I am looking to dollar cost average into Litecoin, not financial advice. Polygon Matic, 89 cents. We have DOT at $6. We've got Link. Chainlink, $7.75. Very, very bullish. XLM is at 11 cents. ICP, $5.92, which is nice. Hedera as well, 6 cents. This is trending on Twitter at the time of recording, by the way. Now we've got Quant at $149. Bullish news coming out of Quant as well. VeChain doing absolutely stuff all at 2 cents. I'm very bullish on the project, though. ALGO's at 17 cents. Of course, some other favorites. We have Theta, up 1.63% to 99 cents. Guys, I was buying this at $14 during the bull market. Madness. Anyway, Axie Infinity's at $7. We've got CFX at 27 cents. Gala as well, 3 cents. I am still very bullish on play to earn games and projects as well, you know, like especially with Illuvium and Star Atlas, a couple of gems in my opinion. XDC is also up at 4 cents. IOTA at 24 cents, and Casper 6 cents, ladies and gentlemen. Casper. Now, Pepe as well, 5.71%. I will get into the bots in a second to show you what exactly is happening in that. Now, let's go to crypto bubbles, ladies and gentlemen. And yes, I have the Wall Street Bull University linked below. This is my official Patreon page where I put up all my buys, my sells, my trades, my indicators, the news before I go live on the channel as well, some bullish updates in there, and also, more importantly, my dividend investing, which provides cash flow every single month. So yes, I'm putting that up literally every single day. It's mental. And more importantly, I love talking with everyone in the Patreon through the DMs. It's so much better than Discord. No BS, all right? And I just want to show you as well, yes, this is my... these are my bots that I've currently got set up with OKX. They are a partner of the channel. All my setups are in the Patreon, full-length videos in there that if you have any questions, I can send it to you directly, whatever you like. And of course, these are my current bots that I've got running at the moment. 58 USDT up 6% today. Bitcoin, of course, up 3% to $74 USD, I should say USDT. And of course, Pepe right here up 332 USDT, which is nuts, 30%. That's been freaking wild. So anyway, this is growing really, really nicely. Everything is in the Patreon and how I actually set these up, and actually how to identify what cryptos I'd like to trade, because that's more important. You need to be able to identify which ones to actually set up these bots for. But anyway, Patreon link below. Join up, guys. Now, crypto bubbles, we have a bit of a mixture of red and green right here, bubbles, but I'm still bullish on everything, of course, and everyone needs to understand that we are just on the cusp of a bull market. Okay, and you'll see that in a second. But anyway, 3.3% Carver right here, 81 cents USD today. I'm not invested in that. And of course, we have XRP up 1.7% today to 49 cents. Very, very nice to see that up today. Shiba Inu, again, 2.8% today on, I mean, I'm still holding my Shiba Inu. I've been holding this since before all that stuff happened with Vitalik, when he gifted basically 50% of the tokens to India for the pandemic relief. I mean, I'm all for that. I mean, whatever, but I believe he's still holding on to a ton of Shiba Inu. There is a lot also happening with Shibarium, the metaverse, the layer 2. It's going to be very interesting to see what happens with that. I'm still holding it. See where it goes. And of course, XDC, which we don't see up very often here, but 1.5% as well, 3 cents USD. It's an absolute gem, in my opinion. Very, very nice. Now, let's move on to the news. And we've got Ripple vs. SEC law veteran thinks settlement is unlikely. I don't think a settlement is going to happen. I mean, really, when you think about it, if that happens, there's not going to be any legal precedents, which is not good for the crypto community, literally in the United States and globally, more the point. But in a recent Twitter exchange, members of the XRP community sought insights from Mark Fagel right here, if that's how you pronounce his name, a former lawyer and SEC functionary, regarding the ongoing case between Ripple and the SEC and Gary Gensler's idiotic behavior. He's a tyrant with his golden thumb right there on the crypto industry. But anyway, in particular, one of the community members questioned whether the watchdog would risk a trial against Ripple or opt for a serious settlement talks, considering the potential ramifications for their broader crypto-related lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase. And obviously, Fagel right here responded by stating that while the settlement would not establish legal precedent, obviously, which is huge, obviously it would potentially have significant implications. However, he expressed doubts about the likelihood of a settlement, noting that if one were to occur, it would probably have happened already. And he basically further mentioned that the impact of the injunction on future XRP sales remains a contentious issue right here. And basically, his stance echoes his prior statements reported to you today, wherein he predicted an imminent ruling from the SEC's case against Ripple. He further noted that the recent unsealing of order by Judge Torres implied that the court had already determined its forthcoming ruling, which is interesting. And when asked if Judge Torres' decision to unseal certain documents suggested an intention to avoid a trial, Fagel right here refrained from making speculative assumptions. However, he pointed out that the unsealing of the materials, such as the speech materials, which would typically emerge during a trial rather than summary judgment, implies that some aspects of the case are likely to proceed to trial. I don't think it's going to be going to trial, but you never know. The SEC and Gary Gensler, the guy's a freaking lunatic. Anyway, Binance US victory against the SEC makes XRP holders visualize a win of their own. I think the XRP trial, I should say not trial, but the XRP case is going to have more significance, to be quite honest with you, because it's going to be setting legal precedents. Massive. Binance.US prevailed against the SEC's application for a TRO when Judge Jackson consented to continued operations in the United States, which is bullish. And the victory has kept the XRP holders' eyes peeled as chatter over an imminent ruling continues. Crypto fund manager Thomas Kralow set a bullish target of $30 for XRP. Nuts if Ripple wins. And post Binance's announcement, the number of people revisiting Carlo's prediction has mushroomed, meaning exploded. Very, very nice to see that, guys. Now, of course, we're moving on to more Ripple and XRP news, but the Central Bank of Colombia to pilot a CBDC project on Ripple's XRP ledger. First of many, believe it or not. And looking to explore the use cases right here, and the Banco de la República, Colombia's central bank, has chosen to partner with Ripple, the blockchain and crypto solutions provider, which is really nice as well. And working in tandem with Ripple, the Ministry for the Information and Communication Technologies right here, the Colombian Central Bank will enhance Colombia's high-value payment system using Ripple's CBDC platform, powered by the XRP ledger, which is really nice as well. And the XRPL is an energy-efficient open-source blockchain, so it's not decentralized. It is completely open source. I should say it's not centralized. Anyway, there will be a third phase of blockchain experimentation by the MINTIC right here. Financial institutions continue to prioritize education right here, and it is no different. Under the guidance of Director of Digital Government right here, the pilot project with Ripple will run until the end of 2023. Which is very, very nice as well, guys. See, that just keeps happening. Now, BlackRock and all of this, guys, yes, it is trending on Twitter at the moment still. But the ETF success rate with the SEC is about 575 to 1. Interesting statistics, right? And BlackRock only unsuccessful ETF attempt dates back almost a decade ago. And the world's largest asset manager made a massive steps towards involvement in the cryptocurrency industry this week by filing a Bitcoin spot ETF with the SEC. And with so many previous applications for such a product, which again, there's a lot of them, and by other companies failing before, the communities wondered whether BlackRock's attempt seemed doomed from the get-go. However, the behemoth's success rate with the SEC has been rather unmatched so far. Anyway, I just want to point out that BlackRock is not stupid. Fidelity is not stupid. Vanguard is not stupid. These institutions and these investment firms, and I should say even JP Morgan, all of the banks, they're very smart. And the reason why I say this is because we have the Bitcoin halving coming up, okay? 285 days, 9 hours, 22 minutes, and obviously now 5 seconds, which is nuts to think about this. But this is crazy. This is going to be obviously in 30th of March, 2024. Now, when you think about it like this, if there's a Bitcoin halving, everything's going to go parabolic and the bull market will start. Every one of these institutions and massive firms are going to be starting to get really interested in this because, again, if Cathie Woods, Raoul Pal, obviously you've got Mark Cuban, Rob Kiyosaki, all of these massive investors and people with billions and billions of dollars behind them are so bullish on Bitcoin going to at least 250, if not to $1 million, as Cathie Woods from ARK Investors said. What do you think BlackRock and Fidelity, Vanguard, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, all of these huge institutions are going to do? They're going to be wanting to get into Bitcoin before this. So again, they're not stupid. They know what they're doing. And again, I think the SEC is going to have a very hard time, demotivating, I should say. I can't think of the word, but, BlackRock, the biggest fund manager in the world, literally up there with Vanguard. They own every company on the planet. Crazy. Now, moving on, we have Ripple rival Quant, and I don't think it's a rival. I think it's just, they're all, doing their own thing. But look at this, is up 7% as Bank of England CBDC partnership unveiled. And I missed this 2 days ago, so I do apologize about that. But London-based enterprise blockchain solution provider Quant has revealed its groundbreaking partnership with the Bank of England, as well as Ripple as well. Now, the Bank for International Settlements right here in their joint venture, the Rosalind Project, the initiative aims to explore the potential of APIs for the development of these CBDC systems. CBDCs are coming whether we like it or not. I freaking hate them. I don't want the government looking into when I'm buying my coffee at the coffee shop. Nope, not interested. But anyway, Quant has basically said, we are proud to be the part of the vendor team for Project Rosalind right here. Congratulations to all involved at the BIS and the Bank of England, an important and successful project right here. The market response to this groundbreaking partnership has been resoundingly positive, with Quant's native token QNT experiencing a remarkable surge of 7% right here at its peak. A substantial increase propelled Quant to the forefront of the crypto market's top performers, with its current trading price settling at around $105 US dollars. And again, it's about 100 and what was it today? 150, 111, I can't remember. But anyway, Ripple, another prominent player in the crypto sphere, previously collaborated with the Bank of England, which we all knew, on a CBDC project centered on the digital pound. Adding to this, it was recently disclosed that Ripple forged a partnership with the Central Bank of Colombia, which I just showed before. Mental. This is what I'm saying. People need to focus on utility, not meme coins, okay? I'm only trading the meme coins just for money. That's it. Now, of course, we've got CryptoMeter.io. We've got money flowing into Ethereum, XRP, Monero. That keeps popping up like crazy. Matic right here as well. I'm bullish on Matic. Doge, Shiba Inu. We have Solana, Bitcoin, Curve DAO. Tron right here, VGX. I think I was looking at that one as well. And we also had AVAX right here. And that is pretty much it. BNB, well, that's just boring as F, to be honest. Now, Bitcoin Rainbow, blockchaincenter.net as well. Great website to check what's going on here. But basically, a fire sale is where we are at with Bitcoin. Very, very nice. Okay, very, very nice. Now, moving on, let's go to Twitter. There is not a lot happening on here, guys, to be honest with you. And yes, I'm at the Wall Street Bull Oz. There's my username. Go follow me on Twitter as well. You would absolutely rock if you do that. Legends. If you watch this far, you're a legend. If you're watching this, legend. Now, obviously, yes, I'm giving this bull ring away when I hit 100,000 subscribers on YouTube. Go subscribe to the channel. Really appreciate it. And, of course, we've got Hong Kong allocating $6.4 million to accelerate blockchain development as Hong Kong Cyberport welcomes 150 companies in the Web3 blockchain sector. That is bullish. We've got Hinman deposition by Johnny Deaton right here. They didn't redact the spelling of consensus right here. Hinman says he had 4 to 5 meetings with them, but one was on the phone call right here. This is between December 13, 2017 and June 8, 2018. We know for sure of 4 actual meetings. The meeting with Vitalik makes it a minimum of 5. It's insane to see what's going on there. We've got Bangladesh formally applies to join the BRICS nations as well. And yes, we have Crypto T right here. Thank you for this tweet. And it's very, very bullish. But BlackRock understands that Bitcoin halving is less than a year away. New supply will decrease while demand continues to increase from worldwide hyperinflation. They are asset managers and need to capture Bitcoin's performance before their competitors do. They are not stupid right here. Absolute facts. And it's happening right now. Oil will be traded as digital currencies, BRICS and XRP. Interesting. And obviously you've got Iraq bans US dollar, Egypt ditches the USD, and France and Pakistan pay with the Chinese yuan. This is massive for cryptocurrencies, okay? If they start getting into oil, forget it. I mean, it's going to get freaking wild, really. I trade in oil, and it's insane. Just saying. And the SEC is gearing up to help China issue crypto tokens. It's clear, I would say very clear right here. And again, go and have a watch of this video right here. I'm not going to play it all. And then, of course, we've got breaking the Bitcoin. We are in a Bitcoin bull run. Bitcoin billionaire Michael Saylor has said, and I agree with him right there. Now, let's move to Coin Market Cap, guys. Sorry, I need a Red Bull. Anyway, guys, this is my portfolio. We have Ravane, Acrotal, Sheeb, Star Atlas, XRP, Kin, Constellation Dag, and Theta. Literally, my entire list goes up in the Patreon every single morning when I'm having my coffee, so you can see what I'm holding. And where my main focus is, of course, is the banking coins. I mean, I just showed you the Bank of International Settlements with Quant. Literally every bank on the planet, you know, probably sitting at roughly around about 300 plus partnerships right now with Ripple. Ethereum as well. I mean, that's Gary Gensler's favorite child right there with Vitalik. I know it's kind of creepy, but anyway, guys. And of course, we have some other ones. Link making some moves with institutions as well. Hedera, massive governance board. ALGO, XDC, again, tokenizing gold. Not being backed, but tokenizing it. Casper, working with Google, as I should say Alphabet. And again, working with IBM as well. Quantum financial system is being built as we speak by IBM. They are doing that. IOTA as well. Nextra, LCX, and Alliance Block. I should just move that basically because, again, that is Nextra. Anyway, that is it for today's video, guys. Join the Patreon. It is linked below. Very, very bullish stuff going on there. And again, these bots are doing incredibly well. I absolutely love it. And they're making passive income literally 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. Mental. Anyway, Patreon link below. Thank you very much. I will speak to everyone in the community tab, the comments. Make sure you subscribe to me on social media as well and use the official links below. All right, guys, I'm out. Stay safe. Have a good evening, a good afternoon, and a good morning wherever you are in the world. All right. Peace out, guys. Stay bullish. Bye.